to my channel. My name is joyerroja and welcome to Joy's Diaries. For today's video, I have made this beautiful purple eyeshadow using Take Me Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetics. I really love the colors in this eyeshadow palette. It's very vibrant and colorful. It is perfect to wear it in summer. So if you want to know how I did this look, just keep on watching. So to start with, I'm gonna do my brows using the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Lift. I like to focus more on the middle towards the tip. I'm gonna shape my brows using this MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade of NC30. And then brush it around so there's no hard edges. And let's move on to the eyes. Shade right here as a transition color. Tap the excess using my MAC 224 brush. So the next shade is beautiful purple shade over here at the end. Under the transition color, you apply it like so. This shade right here. Oh, where is it? Okay, so this shade right here. So now I'm gonna switch my brush to MAC 217. This darker shade right here. Okay, so I'm gonna apply it on the outer corner of your lid and with the dabbing motion. Okay, so the brush that I'm going to be using is the Sigma blending brush E25, and I'm going to pick up this color right here on the inner lid and just pack the eyeshadow like so to create a halo effect. So I'm gonna be using this eye shading brush E55 from Sigma and spray it with Fix Plus a little bit. I'm gonna be using this shade from my MAC Pro palette in, what do you call this? I think it's right, Eyeshadow Fod a Puppet. It's French. But I'm just gonna link everything in the description box below. All the products and brushes that I used. Then I'm gonna apply it on the middle lid. Again, do the same on the other eye. So the foundation that I'm gonna be using is this YSL Touche Eclat. This is my really, for all the foundation, this is my favorite foundation. This is amazing. It has medium coverage and it's buildable, but it's like luminous and it's just amazing. And using my Sigma foundation brush in the in the shade of F60. Apply it like so. Let's move on to the lower eyelid using my Morphe R41, and I'm gonna take this shade right here as a transition color, put it on the lower lid, tap the excess and apply it on the lower lid. Do the same on the other eye. The same palette and the same shade again, using this on the other outer lid. I'm gonna switch my brush using this Inglot 49 SS, and I'm gonna take this darker shade right here. I'm gonna put a concealer using this Pro Longer concealer from MAC in the shade of 30. And now we are going to bake with this Laura Mercier translucent powder. And then just leave it and let it bake. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Anti-Shine Stick for contouring. I like to contour my forehead. As you can see, I have a huge forehead, just to have an illusion of a smaller forehead. Remove the baking now. It's already baked. Then I'm going to powder my full face using MAC Medium Plus. Now I have my Hoola bronzer right here from Benefit. I'm gonna continue warming up my face, like so. Then using Kat Von D Shades and Light, I'm gonna contour a little bit just to have a depth. That's it. Okay, let's move on to the blush. Using my Makeup Revolution blush palette, I'm taking this shade right here. Okay, so I'm gonna line my eyes using this Maybelline Hyper Precise All Day Liquid Eyeliner. Now we move on to the highlighter. So I'm gonna be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. Take my brush using my Morphe E61, and I'm gonna use this highlighting powder right here. This is so beautiful. Look at that. This highlighting kit is very blinding and it's amazing. I like to put it right here using my fingertips at the bridge of the nose, and then I'm gonna put highlighter on the inner corner as well. Set my brows using this Brow This Way from Rimmel in an upward motion. So I'm gonna line my lips using this BH Cosmetics lip liner called Samantha. And using MAC lipstick in the shade of Velvet Teddy. And a lip gloss from BH Cosmetics. So I'm gonna finish my look. I'm gonna put a mascara and some false eyelashes, and you will see the finished look. And this is the final look. I hope you like the makeup tutorial that I did for you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe and click the notification bell just so you're always informed whenever I have new videos. Thank you so much for watching again, and I hope to see you to my next video. Bye!